Alright, so my dear friends and family, are you still scared regarding to your spoken English and are still thinking between listening and reading which one is the best strategy to learn English and to speak English fluently and confidently? So my dear friends, for the very first time of this video, we need to learn that what is reading and what is listening. How reading is helping us to learn English, how reading is helping us to learn English. So, without wasting our available time and without further ado, let's get started. So one very special thing of this video, for the very beginning of this video, I want to share with you guys between reading and you can say listening, there is a big and massive difference. One thing also I want to share with you with the beginning of this video, that if you want to learn this language English, so both are really very helpful for you. But we're gonna comparison in this video that which one is the best for us. Yes, my dear friends, which one is the best and you can say easier way and a strategy to learn this language English in a very short time. So one thing that today in this video, I'm gonna share with you my opinion. I may tell you about reading is best or listening is best, but other one is not loser. Both are best strategy to learn English, but today I'm gonna share with you my opinion. So truly speaking, when I started my English journey in 2023, about 1.5 year or 2 years before, so at that time, I listened a lot. Yes, I listened a lot, which means I didn't read. I also read a lot of passages, a lot of, you can say, text from a textbook, also any kind of books, guides, so it helped me a lot. But especially that I will tell you, listening helped me a lot to improve my spoken English, to study, and to improve my strategy, body language perfect. Listening. Yes, my dear friends. First of all, as a beginner, we need to listen every single day. And then we can speak and then we can do other things. But for myself, according to myself, how did I learn English? That's listening. Yes, listening helped me a lot to improve my strategy to speak English fluently. That's why I'm sharing with you. This one is listening that it will help you because you have learned your mother tongue by listening and speaking. So you can understand that how much listening is very important regarding to your spoken English. And also one very special thing I want to share with you guys. Now let's go to the reading. Yes, reading is also really very important, but it not affects much in our spoken English, directly spoken English. First of all, for the very first time, I'll tell you what is reading. Like reading any kind of things, texts, passages from your textbook or guidebook, any kind of books, that's really cool. And one strategy I will tell you about reading, that when you are, let's see one example, it will really clear your spoken English, that between listening and reading, which one is the best. So, when you were so kids, when you just brought up your age is half 6 months or 1 month, can you, in that time, could you read anything? No. So how did you learn your mother tongue? By listening more and trying to speak a lot. So that's how you learn English. But I'm not saying that reading is not too perfect or reading is not so well. Reading is also very important in our spoken English. But it's my opinion that at the first time at the very beginning, I did not read a lot. Yes, still now, I'm not reading to learn English. I'm reading textbooks. I'm reading any kind of books in English in our mother tongue Bengali, because just for improving my communication skills as well as just for my academic study. But for learning English in the time as a beginner, I did not learn. Just I listen a lot. So, my dear friends, in the comment box, would you like to share with us between reading and listening? Which one do you think is best for you? I think reading is the best. However, listening is also best. So thank you so much, my dear friends, for watching this video till that. If you get any kind of little tiny information from this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon to get the next new important video. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a good day.